6 do's and don'ts for the JAMB prospective candidates. Sit tight. I shall be revealing to you the do's and the don'ts. Please, once you fail to observe these instructions, you may likely be disqualified from writing your JAMB. Sit tight. Remember to follow us on our Facebook page. Tap the like button. Remember to comment on where you are finding difficulty so we can help out. On TikTok, talk direct button for further updates. Remember to like our video there. On YouTube, please don't fail to touch on that notification button, like our videos, and likewise subscribe to our channel. Now, what are those do's and don'ts which, if not observed, can disqualify you from writing your JAMB? Now, let's quickly go into it. Now, JAMB has released their do's and don'ts. Now, failure to observe them may likely disqualify you from not writing the exam. And the very first one we have here is that do not bring your wristwatch to the examination hall. Please keep it at home. Keep your mobile phones at home, or when taken to the center, keep it at a reliable place. All forms of electronic device are not allowed. Your pen and biros are not allowed. Your key holder is not expected to be safe inside the hall. Keep your ATM cards away. No eraser, no bangle, no ring is allowed inside the hall, including necklace, to the examination center. Now, the second one we have here is you are advised to keep a copy of this slip for reference purpose. What is a slip? That is this printout you have. You have to keep it for a reference purpose. That means you should go with it. Please remember, which is the third one, your biometric, which is the thumbprint verification, is compulsory at the examination center. Get ready to undergo another biometrics. It is compulsory. Now, the very fourth one is that you will be marked absent if you do not sit for the exam as indicated, and will forfeit the right to sit for the examination. That is to say, on no ground should you forfeit the exam except to have no plans of writing it again. Now, before I take the last do's and don'ts, remaining two, if I take the remaining two, hope you have followed us on our TikTok, hope you have liked this video, and hope you have commented. On our Facebook, hope you have followed, you have liked this video, and you have commented on what you would like this your wonderful servants to do for you. For those watching from YouTube, hope you have subscribed there, hope you have liked the video, and hope you have touched the notification bell. Alright, the very fifth one, there will be no change of U2ME subjects in the examination center. Please ascertain the number of subjects you will write. On no condition should you switch over to the next subject because you have a dislike for a particular subject or the other. Such will never be entertained and will not be allowed. You will only be allowed to take those registered subjects. And the very last one, you will likely be marked absent if you fail to appear in the JAMB center on or before 30 minutes to the exam. Please take note of these instructions to avoid being disqualified from writing your JAMB. Please, I wish you success. I wish you the best of luck. May the Lord be with you. Bye for now.